Hey guys, I'm Jonas. Today I'm going to show you a couple of different products that I use to get these carts looking like new again. The carts that we get in that came off of golf courses always have stickers on them. They usually have the big sticker on the front with the name of the course, plus the number stickers on the side. And removing those stickers and getting all the residue off from them can be a real challenge. One of the best ways that I found to get these stickers off is simply using a power washer and shoot water at it from kind of a sideways angle, and usually you can get underneath of it and blow it right off if you can't just peel it off by hand, or using a heat gun is another option. But once you get that sticker off, then there's still normally residue left behind it, at least around the perimeter of where the sticker was at. The best product that I've found to get this sticker residue off is actually called Suspension Clean, and it's made by Maxima. It's similar in strength to carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner, but it doesn't have any effect on your plastics. Usually, like your carb clean, if you get it on any other plastics, it can discolor them and you can't fix it. You can't make it better. So this stuff is strong, but it's not so strong that it's going to cause damage to other parts of your car. So you can just spray this right on your plastics, or you can spray it on a towel and then wipe it with the towel. And just like that, it's removed that residue. The Suspension Clean also works really well on areas that you've got scuffs from tire marks or shoes. Once I've got everything cleaned up and it's completely dried out, then I like to use the Maxima SC1, which is a high gloss clear coat. They call it new bike in a can, and it really does a good job. You can spray it all over the body and everywhere on your cart, but where it makes the biggest difference is on any of your black plastics. When you spray it on the black, it really helps shine it up and give it that new look again. I just spray this on nice and thick. You really can't get too much on there. Let it sit for at least 1 to 2 minutes and then go back and wipe it off. We do have the Suspension Clean and the SC1 available on our website, as well as our G29 service kits that we just got in. So if you've got a Drive 1 or a Drive 2, we've got the full service kit. Comes with the oil, spark plug, air filter, and if it's carbureted, you'll get your fuel filter too. So guys, be sure to go check out our website, powerequipmentman.com. That's going to wrap it up for today, guys. If you got some good value out of this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.